Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of a few of these lines. Sure, they still pertain, they're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update that comes about is based on a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance, and that's already played out today. And that's where 56 cents comes into play. If you're watching previous videos, hopefully that sounds familiar in regards to me talking about it as support. But with the price breaking below it today, and like I said, as that rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance. That's what essentially happened all day long. Several times the price tried to get above there and couldn't quite do it. On one occasion, the price did get up above it, but that didn't last very long. But overall, 56 cents has now definitely been confirmed as that area of resistance. So short-term wise, if there's going to be any sort of chance at all of a turnaround or even just a bounce, 56 cents is that first level that needs to be cleared. In the event 56 is broken, the next key level to watch is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which is also proven to be quite stubborn. You can see a couple times here, sure, the price got up above it. Once again, right there, sure, the price got up above it. But as far as staying up above it, that's where, you know, it's kind of a tricky level. It's almost like it likes to play a joke on the bulls where it lets the price back and then just says, hey, just kidding. And then it, sucks the price back down. But kind of getting a little bit ahead of ourselves because no point in talking about that 50-period simple moving average until the price can at least break up above the 56 cent mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing complicated here at all. The price stopped bleeding today down there at 54 cents. So 54 cents is just simply the current level of support going forward. So, this one has the ability to bounce as it's shown before. So that's why, I'm continuing to keep an eye on it. But yeah, let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.